Rapper Killer Mike was seen being escorted away from the Grammys 2024 by security after winning 3 awards following a physical altercation. Rapper Killer Mike has been taken away in handcuffs after winning 3 awards at the Grammys. The 48-year-old had been celebrating his triple victory at the Grammys pre-show at the Crypto.com Arena in Los Angeles, but just minutes after getting up on stage to accept his trophies. Killer Mike was caught on camera being escorted out of the arena by security guards. Mike won Best Rap Album for Michael, while his hit song Scientists and Engineers won Best Rap Performance and Best Rap Song. Hollywood Reporter's Chris Gardner tweeted, "Breaking: rapper Killer Mike has been taken away in handcuffs in arena after winning 3 #Grammys during telecast, Best Rap Song and Best Rap Performance for Scientists Engineers. Best Rap Album for Michael, Free Mike," someone shouts as he walks past. He then added, "An official tells someone on his team that it's possible he may be released later tonight from the arena. Unclear if he's being booked here and what he's charged with. Trying to find out." The LAPD confirmed that a person had been detained for a PHSYICAL altercation at the event. At around 4 p.m., an individual was detained at Crypto.com Arena for a physical altercation. A LAPD spokesperson said, "The individual is currently being questioned. I cannot confirm the identity of the individual until the person is charged. The investigation is ongoing." While accepting his awards, Mike told the audience, "You cannot tell me you get too old. You cannot tell me it's too late. For all the people out there that think you get too old to rap, bullshit. I don't give a damn if you're 78 rapping about how many gals you got in the nursing home. Make sure we keep hip-hop alive." There was some controversy surrounding Mike's win as the Recording Academy accidentally announced that Nicki Minaj and Ice Spice had won Best Rap Song for Barbie World on Twitter. Nicki fans were fuming, as she has failed to win a Grammy during her illustrious career. Mike won his first Grammy in 2003, where he picked up Best Rap Performance by a duo or group for the Whole World, which was a collaboration with Outkast.